It's literally been so long. Oh my god. Okay. Say hi, Nanya. You look so pretty, Nala. She's so cute. She looks so angry. So it was like midnight and I had the random motivation to make a YouTube video because I forgot that I used to like dedicate my whole last summer to posting videos on here, and now a year later, summer has passed and I'm about to start college. And I just feel like making a video because I'm gonna be doing my makeup a lot more, I think, in college, just because my motivation to do my makeup has come back. I don't know. This is kind of like an updated tutorial. And I'm gonna start posting videos again, even if it's just my mom watching them. I don't care. So first things first. I literally am trying to use up all the makeup that I have because I went through a phase of like buying new makeup like every week, which I didn't need. So now I'm stuck with a bunch of different makeup. But I guess that did help me see what makeup I do and don't like, I guess. I don't know. But I'm gonna use this e.l.f. one. I like the Power Grip. I like the pink one though. For some reason the pink one always has my makeup looking better than the blue one. I don't know what the difference is. Yeah, the blue one doesn't have niacinamide, maybe that's why. But yeah, I like the pink one. And pink is better than blue anyway, so. So I rub it in and then I pat it. For foundation, I kind of just started using whatever, but most of the time I use this. It's the Kimchi. This foundation is like darker than I would like, and it's also warmer than I would like. So I also bought this, and if you have a foundation that's too warm, just buy this little blue or any blue pigment and mix it with it, and it'll like neutralize it. Because I'm not like cool toned, but I don't think I'm that warm toned. Not as warm as this. I wash my hands before I do my makeup, so it's okay. See, and you mix it with the blue, and it makes it less orange. Like, I think you can kind of tell, like, I have a little, let me cover that. I feel so professional. My mom has a whole ring light. So, because I was literally struggling for like 20 minutes on where to set up my phone to make this video. I was not planning on it, but beauty blender, just blend it. And I also try and stay away from like under my eyes when I blend my foundation because I'm gonna put concealer anyway. Now for my eyebrows, I take this little palette. Just take any brown eyeshadow, I don't know. And I just go. And I basically just darken the shape that's already there. I'm also always super paranoid about my eyebrows. Sorry to pause. I'm literally convinced that they're not the same. This one's longer. Like this one's like this. I take a concealer. This one's like super warm tone, but I gave up. I don't really care. It's the e.l.f. one in shade. Why can I never find the shades of these? Tan Sand. And then I also blend that in. So I usually go as close as I can with the beauty blender to do the concealer, whatever, and then after I go with the brush to just get as like super close and blend the edges. Bronzer. I don't contour, I just use bronzer. This is Brow Lift because I always mix up the caps, but it's fine. This is in shade, oh, I don't even know the shade. Belle, Bronzed Belle. Okay, that's what it is. And I take a little bit on the brush. Not a little bit, kind of hot. I just put it. I don't know why, but lately I've been so insecure about my forehead because my forehead is so rectangular. I don't know why. Like the sides right here, I actually have like no hair right here. I just cover it with the top of my head. Shh. Don't tell anyone. But it's okay. Who really cares? Wow, that's so pretty. Oh, wow, so pretty. So pretty. I love bronzer. I love bronzer. Okay. But yeah, I started using an orange blush because it just blends with your bronzer more. It just makes you look like more I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I don't know. It makes you look, it just makes your blush and your bronzer look more seamless, because sometimes whenever you wear pink blush and it doesn't suit your skin tone, like me, I used to wear pink blush and it did not look good, or it looked okay, but orange blush looks better, because pink sometimes just doesn't look right. I don't know, unless you find your shade of pink, I guess. And it's hard to accept because I love pink. Pink is my #1 color, but sometimes you have to let things go. I don't use a beauty blender for stuff like blush or bronzer, because a beauty blender can soak up the product and then it won't be as pigmented. Oh my nose, and then on my chin, and then on my forehead a little bit in the middle. Fabulous. Then after I do all my base stuff, I spray my face with Milani setting spray, and then I use the fan. But since I'm not going anywhere, I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to waste my setting spray. But if you are doing this to like actually go out, spray your face, because then after you spray your face and you let it dry, you do your powder, so that way when you powder your face it doesn't look so dry, I guess. Yeah. I don't know why, but whenever I powder my face, I always do it from my chin up. I don't know if that's just a weird, like, I know most people start with like their under eyes, but I always start on my chin. I don't know why. I just put powder basically everywhere so your face doesn't like move. Now to reapply, I take this shade in the same palette. This is a Pixi palette, Pixi plus Promise. I've had this for years, but I take this little orange brown shade and I just go over my bronzer. It's usually pretty dark, so I don't do too much. And then for my nose, take the same shade. Oh, it's kind of dark. And then I just put a line right here. I kind of gave up on contouring my nose. That's what I do. I take some powder and I just go on the edges. Oh, there's some. And then I just kind of go over the top because I want that like button nose. And then under my eyes, so when I do my eyeshadow and there's fallout, I won't have a black craziness under my eyes. Okay, now for my eyes. So I start actually with the bronzer as the base. I just take a little fluffy brush in that brown shade and I just put it all over my eye. Boom. Gorgeous. You could stop here if you wanted to and you look great. Okay. Then I take this Smoke and Roses palette. I've had this forever. Yeah, basically like a couple years. And I take the same brushes every time and I go into the black eyeshadow. It depends on what my outfit is. If my outfit has black and it's like darker or cool toned, then I'll take black. If not, I'll take like a dark brown. I'm wearing purple right now and I want to do black, so I'm doing black. So I take this smoked out shade, black, and just put it in the corner. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna blend it out anyway. And then I take this same thing. Make sure to do a lot. Wow. Okay. Then I kind of do some on the bottom too. Ow. Okay. Take this little brush and I blend it. Yeah, like that. I'm not gonna explain it, okay? Just cut it. The messier, the better, I guess. You're just gonna put glitter on top of it. It's gonna look great anyway. Oh, I just stabbed myself in the eye. I just gotta do this for a while. I'm not good at eye makeup, okay? The same tiny brush, and I go in with more black. You can use any black, it doesn't really matter. cheap, expensive. Who cares? Just to darken it up some more. It's pretty simple. I just take a bunch of glitter like this one. This is a shade I love. And I actually do love this shade. I use it for like everything. I just, oh, you see how pretty that is? It's like gray, cool tone kinda. Oh no, my nose is starting to run. I don't know why it always does. Oh, I'm gonna put too much, but it's okay. Oh. It's okay. Nothing a little more black can't fix. Go back in with the black. My nose. Okay. Okay, good enough. And then I'm gonna take, for my eyebrow, to kind of blend it some more, I'm taking the shade Attraction, which is literally just white. Oh, I keep stepping on this. Okay, and then I just put it on my brow. And this also kind of blends it in with the black. It's okay if it's messy. Okay, take my blending brush again. And then eyeliner. So I do it in the waterline. Oh, look how dark that is. Wow. Basically just on my eye. I'm gonna try and do this without messing up looking in the camera. Boom. And then I'm gonna take some highlight, put it in the corner, and then some more up here. Oh, and this is the Rare Beauty one. I love this highlight, the Silk Touch one. This is shade Mesmerize. And then I'm also gonna brush all this off. I just realized I didn't put on blush, but I put on the NYX Had Photo. Whatever that means. I don't put on that much. It's like an orange blush. One little tap. One little tap. Okay. And then I put the Rare Beauty over that. This highlighter is so good. I don't think they really wore highlighter in the 2000s, did they? But oh yeah, that's not gonna stop me. For the thing that ties it all together, lashes. These are the not wet one, the Kiss lashes. I don't know what shade. Oh my god, I don't know what style. I think it's like the 11 ones. It's just called 11, I think. They're like really old and crusty. I need to get a new pair. They come in a pack of 5. I'm just too lazy to ever cut them. Okay. On them. I used a telescopic, and I used to not put mascara on whenever I put on lashes, so you can see like my powdery crusty white eyelashes under my lashes. This looks so bad. So make sure you put on mascara because it makes it look better. And it doesn't really matter if you curl them because I curl my lashes once I put the lashes on anyway. And don't forget the bottom lashes. I used to not do that too because I thought like, oh my god, I keep shaking the camera. But make sure you put it on your bottom lashes because I used to not do that. Why am I so close to the camera? I used to not do that because I think it'd make my eyes look like droopy or something. But I think it actually makes my eyes look better, like bigger in a way. I don't know. See, look how cute that looks, especially when you have your top lashes. Okay, I'm gonna get my, oh my gosh. I'll BRB once I put on my lashes. Watch this, watch this. See, wasn't that an amazing transition? But anyway, your other lashes, they're quite obnoxious, if I don't say so myself, but that's the point, okay? You want it to look like you can fly away from 15 feet away. People should only be able to see your eyelashes from 15 feet away, you see? Perfect. If you start to levitate a little bit when you blink, that's how you know. A lip combo. So I used the Cold Brew NYX liner. I go for a pretty, what's it called? Nude? Yeah, nude shade. Lip combo. Okay, and I used the NYX Butter Gloss in Sugar High. And this is pretty pale, at least I think. Maybe not. And yeah, I actually think that's it. I spray with this again, but I'm not going anywhere like I said, so I'm not gonna put it on. I don't want to waste it. Nala, tell them all how you've been a bad kitty. Aw, you're so sweet. She hates me, it's okay. Go over there. Okay, yeah, that's it. Subscribe, like, and you'll be seeing more of me, even if you don't want to. So yeah, let me go take this off and shower, so my hair won't look like this anymore. Bye.